Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Ma'am, your name?
My name is Fayeza.
Okay, you are a student of Goa University
Yeah, I'm studying.
and from Afghanistan.
Yeah.
So, what you have seen the news that the Taliban has taken over the Afghanistan. So, what your thoughts after you knowing that?
Actually, if I say you that I feel blankless, I'm not lying, because I decided to, after finishing my graduation here, I will go back to my country and start job and serve to my country and my nation. But right now I don't have any choice, and I don't have any feeling to go back to my country, because as you know, the Taliban are now there and they are very opposite of going and coming the girls and women in the society and in the outside, and they are opposite of their working, education and civil activation and everything.
Your family members who are staying in Afghanistan and friends, what about them?
My whole families are remain in Afghanistan, and they are now. We are actually from Balkh. Balkh is also the third biggest city in Afghanistan, and it's as you know, the whole Afghanistan is under the control of Taliban. Yeah, and also they are right now under control of Taliban. And yesterday, my mom, when I talked with my mom, she told me that the Taliban are coming in the mosques, and they told the people you should not go outside. Especially the woman. The woman should not go outside alone. She should have a man, at least one man, that when she want to go outside. And the children and the girls, they should not continue their education above the 6th grades, or which are in above the 6th grade in school. And as you see, they are saying in the national medias or in press medias, the vice president of Taliban yesterday night, they told that we don't have any restriction about the women, females, men. They can go and do anything. But as we are Afghan, we know everything. They are not trustable, because 25 years ago they did a lot of things, a lot of bad things against Afghan people. They are not trustable, and as Afghan girl, I don't trust them. I don't want to trust them, because of most killing of the people and most killing of the women. I cannot trust them. Even me, and neither me nor the other Afghan people don't trust the Taliban. And now they are showing such a good face from there right now, because of catching the national and the other countries' fund, because of their remaining to power, because of their stability of the power. Now they are showing their good face, but actually they are not like that. And I should told that the Taliban are not Muslim. They are not belongs to Afghanistan. They are just trained and come from Pakistan, and they are destroying our country. They want to, and because of the strategic location of Afghanistan, they want to be in Afghanistan and control the other countries which we have neighborhood with them. And they actually don't come to bring security and safety in our country. They just come to destroy us.
Okay. Are you in contact with your parents and family in constant?
Right now I am in contacting with my family, but as I don't believe in Taliban, I cannot say 1 hour later what will be happen to them, or can I contact with them 1 hour later or not. But till now I'm in contacting with them, but there is less coverage area, because they exploit the telecommunication antennas in some provinces, in some districts in Afghanistan, and because of less coverage. But I can hear their voice, but by breaking voice.
Have you advised them to move somewhere, some other countries, or come to India because of their security reason?
What I couldn't get, sorry.
Have you advised them to leave Afghanistan and move to some other countries?
I don't have any advice because they are not like human. They are not even a human to advise them. They are terrorists, and terrorists will not be a brother or a friend or a citizen to each one of country. And they are not belongs to Afghanistan. I don't trust them, and I don't have any advice to them because they will not care about this.
Okay, have your family planned to move somewhere else to living in Afghanistan?
As you know, my father and my brothers, my father is like that worshipped Afghanistan. Some years ago, when we decided, our family, when we decided to go outside and live and settle to outside of the Afghanistan, but my father was opposite of this, and he told, as I am alive, I will stay in Afghanistan. But nowadays, when I talking with my parents, especially my father told me, when the situation become calm a little and start the international flights and commercial flights from Afghanistan to other countries, in the soon opportunity we will move and settle to other countries. Because there is some fear and scared among the Afghan people. No one will stay in Afghanistan.
So you are in fear all the time because of your family staying over there?
I told you, these days I feel blankless. I don't know how I'm feeling because I cannot focus on my lessons, and when I talking with my parents, my family, they are in such fear, and they don't know what will happen tomorrow, what will happen next 1 hour later. And as last night my situation was very bad, and I went to doctor, and she told me, you have a lot of anxiety, and my stomach was not working because of this.
You have been staying in India from how many years?
Now we are starting our second year, and we will be in here after finishing of our graduation, and 1 year later. And till now I don't have any decision to where should I stay, but 100% I can say you, I will not go back to Afghanistan, as I have much love to my country, to my homeland. But right now I don't have any idea to go back, and I try my best to bring my family out of Afghanistan and carry them to outside the country.
After that incident, how you look towards India?
Actually, India means love for me, and India means acceptance of different people from different religions. I love India as my childhood. I love India, and I'm very happy and proud to I'm staying in India. India government always help Afghan people, always. It is like opposite of Pakistan, which the Pakistan is trying to destroy us, but India is always trying to support. As by the help and support of India, right now I'm in here, as I belongs to a medium class. Medium class from economy, but right now I'm studying outside of my country and India, and it's just because of India government and Indian people.
You feel safe in India?
Yeah, I feel safe. I can go outside, I can go anywhere without any fear, because there is no somebody to disturb you and say why you are wearing this, why you don't do hijab, why you are wearing your hijab, and some kind of things and speaking like this there is no in India.
So what will be the message who are staying in Afghanistan, Afghani people?
I don't know what should I say to them, because there is no thing and no speeches, even one word. I just pray to God and wish them God bless them to stay safe. In this situation, even I don't want security, I don't want to work in outside. If I be in Afghanistan, I just want to see my family, my parents, my friends alive when I see them another time.